Can eucalyptus essential oil relieving a cough? Have you ever wondered if a simple essential oil can help ease a cough? Eucalyptus essential oil is gaining attention for its potential benefits in relieving coughs and supporting respiratory health. This oil contains a compound called eucalyptol, which is known for its decongestant properties. Many over-the-counter cough and cold remedies include eucalyptus oil for this very reason. So, how does eucalyptus oil work? It helps thin mucus, making it easier to expel from the respiratory system. This can provide relief from congestion and coughs related to conditions like bronchitis and asthma. Additionally, eucalyptus oil has antimicrobial properties that may help fight germs causing respiratory infections. If you are considering using eucalyptus oil for cough relief, there are several methods to try. One effective way is through steam inhalation. You can add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to boiling water and inhale the vapors. This method can help loosen mucus and clear nasal passages. Another option is to use a diffuser. By mixing eucalyptus oil with water in a diffuser, you can release its soothing vapors into the air. This creates a calming environment that may help reduce coughing. You can also apply eucalyptus oil topically. Be sure to dilute it with a carrier oil before applying it to your chest or back. This localized application can provide relief from congestion. Incorporating eucalyptus oil into your relaxation routine can also support a stress-free mindset. The fresh, invigorating scent promotes a sense of well-being, which is helpful for managing stress. When combined with relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation, eucalyptus oil can enhance your overall sense of calm. While eucalyptus oil may not completely eliminate a cough, it can be a beneficial addition to your self-care routine. It helps alleviate symptoms and promotes relaxation, making it a great option for those seeking relief from coughs and respiratory discomfort. So, the next time you are feeling under the weather, consider reaching for eucalyptus essential oil as part of your wellness toolkit.